Guys, it's me and the main man, the top salesman.
Hi guys.
Down in Unity Beach. Damo, top man down here. Christian's on the camera. I'm Nigel. How are you? Look, this has been your 5 minutes. I'm going to show you quickly. 59,995, brand new Victory Stonewood, 3 bedrooms. Damo, it's a 3 bed, yeah?
3 bedroom, and it's 40 foot by 12 foot. Brand spanking new, just turned up. It's not been dressed yet, we just unpacked it to make it viewable.
What do you mean, 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
It needs a cleaning outside because it's just got off the lorry, okay?
Me and Christian's been working like you wouldn't believe.
Tirelessly.
Lovely, isn't it? I love it. Got loads of space cupboards, loads of seating.
Spacious, isn't it?
It's really an 8 bed, isn't it?
Yeah, and even comes with a dishwasher.
You're kidding me.
Guys, go on.
Double glazed, central heated, new carpets.
Brand spanking new. Everything's new.
Look at it, guys, it's gorgeous.
Everything's new.
We haven't unpacked it yet, but we will be unpacking it. Oh, we've unpacked it, but we haven't put the kit in it.
We haven't dressed it yet, that's all.
If you buy it, you have to make me a bacon sandwich. Because I'm on the Manjaro and I'm losing too much weight.
Or 2.
Or 2. Lovely, isn't it? Loads of seating. Have a quick look down the back end. Come on. Come on, chop chop. What's that?
It's a cupboard. You don't normally get these as you walk in, but it's nice storage
Shoes
cupboard,
and
shoes, hats,
Oh,
coats.
there's coat hooks here as well.
Yeah.
This is a
Twin room.
twin. Okay, loads of weight room in there. They've got these covers on the bed, we've got to take them off in a minute. And it's got the dreaded smoke alarm going again because you have to pull that thing out, remember? To stop it. Have a look down the back end, it's got 2 toilets, 2 showers, yeah? They don't, all those rooms are quite similar, quite big. They go into doubles as well, okay? Yeah. But if you're interested, guys, you need to contact Christian or Damien. Come down, they both sell vans and they're both very good and helpful. They're very nice people.
What size is this room? Not
They're
bad
nice
for a
people.
3 bed, is it?
Oh.
And it's a 3 bed with ensuite. Now you don't normally get an ensuite within in the 3 bedroom ones, but this one has, and it's also got quite a large walk-in wardrobe. Hold on, let me just borrow the camera a sec.
And
Look at that.
to be honest with you, we're 3 really thin people and we fit in a bedroom fine. You know what I mean? Yeah.
There you go. There you go, Chris.
So guys, contact Damien if you want to come down. What's your number, mate?
Right, the telephone number is 07976 827734, and Christian's number is
0754 1263 012.
cheaper after price. This one.
Guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate your support. Come down if you want to come down and use the swimming pool or the soft play, and we'll look after you with some tickets. Hey, see you soon.